Recognizing letters from I to letter K. Let's begin with letter I. Capital or big letter I and small letter I. Let's write the letter I. Start here, 1, then 2, then 3. Small letter I, start here at the middle, 1, then period. What sound does I make? I says E. E. Can you see the big I or the letter I? That's great. This is the letter I. Can you see the letter I? Great job. This is the letter I. Can you see the letter I? Good job. This is the letter I. Now, can you see the small letter I? That's great. This is the small letter I. How about this? This is the letter I. Another small letter I is this one. Spot the letter I, the small letter I. This one, another one. Good job. Now, can you spot the big letter I? That's great. Which picture starts with the letter I? Good job. It's an igloo. Igloo. Which picture starts with the letter I? That's great. Engine. Engine. Which picture starts with the letter I? That sounds E. E. Iguana. Let's think about words that start with the letter I or E sound. For example, injection, invitation, indoor. We go to recognizing letter J. This is the capital or big letter J, and this is the small letter J. Let's write letter J. Start here, 1, and then 2. Small letter J, start here at the middle, 1, and then 2. Point. What sound does J make? J says J, J. Can you see the big J or the letter J? Good job. This is the letter J. How about this? That's great. How about this? Good job. This is the big J or the letter J. Can you see the small letter J? That's great. This is the small letter J. Another one. This is the small J. Last one. This is the small J. Spot the small letter J. That's great. Spot the letter J, the big letter J. Good job. Which picture starts with the letter J? That's great. It's a jaguar. Which picture starts with the letter J? Good job. Jump. Which picture starts with the letter J? Good job. It's a jar. Let's think about words that start with the letter J or J sound. J. For example, joker, jackal, juggle. Recognizing letter K. This is capital or big letter K and the small letter K. How to write letter K? Start here, 1, and then 2, and then 3. Small letter K, start here, 1, and then 2, 3. What sound does K make? K says K, K. Can you see the big letter K? Good job, this is the big K. How about this? That's great. How about this? Good job, this is the big K. Can you see the small letter K? Good job, this is the small letter K. This one and this. Now, can you spot the small letter K? That's great. Can you spot the big letter K? That's great. Good job, children. See you next time.